Good. I am Kurt Ginding and I am here to discuss Agusan del Sur and Misamis Oriental. Agusan del Sur is a province in the Philippines which is home to variety of exciting activities and tourist attraction. It has rich natural resources, diverse wildlife, and cultural heritage. Agusan del Sur has something to offer for every type of traveler, whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion. This province has it all. Meanwhile, Misamis Oriental is certainly the place to get high on adrenaline and excitement. Unique geologic and climate conditions have created spectacular sharp contrasts, towering mountains, steaming jungles, beaches, careful manicure terrace hills, and monumental expression of faith from highly sophisticated and ancient cultures. These choices are enormous and are sure to keep any visitor captivated. This is where adventure begins and promise of an unending thrill, excitement, and contentment. Thank you.